my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks video on this 2017 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 3-inch rough country lift on it, some 18x9 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a gloss black with a milled window finish, and some 33 1250 R18 Fury Country Hunter RT tires. If you want more information on this tire and wheel setup, click the link almost probably right there for our wheel matchup video. This 3-inch rough country lift kit, tips and tricks. The main thing is on your front strut. It replaces your top hat of your strut. The strut spacer is also the new top hat. So make sure you either have a spring strut compressor, you can rent one, or you've contacted a shop beforehand that you can take your strut to have them decompress the strut, take the top hat off, put the spacer on, and put the new top hat on. Besides that, the rear is simple, the front is simple. Just make sure you can disassemble your strut as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any parts, go to our website. We sell those. And if you want to buy yourself a 4Runner that's already lifted, already built just like this, and not have to go to the dealer, buy it, then bring it to us, go to our website, central-alps.com. Go to the inventory page, and we will have all of the 4Runners that are built, ready for sale on dealers' lots that are already done, ready for you. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.